Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Kainat Zahra, final year student of Doctor of Optometry from the University of Faisalabad. Today, in this video, I'm going to discuss blepharitis. It is the common disease of eyelid margin. The content of this video includes definition of blepharitis, types of blepharitis, signs and symptoms of the disease according to its types, how to investigate the blepharitis, treatment of the blepharitis. By definition, blepharitis is the chronic inflammation of the eyelid margin. Blepharitis is the most common cause of ocular discomfort and irritation. Types. Basically, there are two types of blepharitis: anterior blepharitis and posterior blepharitis. Anterior blepharitis has further two subtypes: squamous blepharitis, which is also called seborrheic blepharitis, and ulcerative blepharitis, which is also called staphylococcal blepharitis. Squamous blepharitis. In squamous blepharitis, there is a disorder of glands of Zeiss and Moll. Causes of seborrheic blepharitis include seborrheic dermatitis and acne rosacea. To diagnose squamous blepharitis, look for signs and symptoms. Signs include hyperemic and greasy anterior lid margin, soft scales on lid margin or bases of lashes, adherence of lashes to each other. Symptoms are burning, grittiness, mild photophobia, watering, history of eyelash falling. Ulcerative blepharitis. It is an infection of lash follicles and associated gland of Zeiss and Moll, which is caused by Staphylococcus bacteria. To diagnose ulcerative blepharitis, look for signs and symptoms. Signs include yellow hard scales and crust located around the base of lashes, conjunctival hyperemia. When crusts are removed, they may leave tiny bleeding ulcers, eyelash loss, and trichiasis. Symptoms are itching, irritation, lacrimation, and photophobia. Meibomianitis. Meibomianitis is a diffuse inflammation of meibomian gland characterized by hypersecretion of the gland. To diagnose meibomianitis, look for signs and symptoms. Signs are white frothy secretion on eyelid margin and canthi, pouting of meibomian gland orifices and capped by small oil globules. Eyelid eversion shows the duct of gland as vertical yellow shining lines through the tarsal conjunctiva. When glands are massaged, oily secretion come out. Symptoms are burning sensation and itching due to tear film instability. This slide is showing signs for different types of blepharitis. In ulcerative blepharitis, yellow crust on the lid margin. In squamous blepharitis, white scales on the lid margin. In meibomianitis, first picture is showing pouting of gland orifices capped with oil globules, and the second picture is showing froth on the lid margin. Treatment of all type of blepharitis is almost similar. Lid hygiene is very important to reduce infection and irritation of eye by removing scales and crust. Apply warm compresses on lid margin to soften crust. Then remove the softened crust by using cotton bud dipped in warm dilute solution of baby shampoo or sodium bicarbonate. Antibiotic. Topical antibiotic in the form of ointment is applied on lid margin to reduce infection. Steroid. Mild topical steroids are useful in reducing inflammation and redness of lid margin. Lubricant for tear film instability. Meibomian, Zeiss, and Moll gland dysfunction causes lipid layer disturbance of tear film, which ultimately cause tear film instability or dry eye. To treat seborrheic blepharitis, underlying cause like seborrheic dermatitis is also need to treat. Thank you very much for watching this video.